Hey there, welcome to TechTube. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about how you can hide your work experience in LinkedIn through your PC. So just need to open your preferred web browser and just go and log into your LinkedIn account through your website. So this is a home page. It is somewhat similar to yours, uh, despite being a testing account. So what you do need to do to hide your work experience is just go on and click on your profile right there, labeled as me, and click on view profile. So after this, you're gonna go to the right side here and click on this pencil icon on your public profile. So what we need to do is we need to hide your work experience from others. So from your public profile, not your inside profile. So just take your attention to this side, the right side of the page. So look at this. This is a preview of what can be shown and, well, what have you given about, right? So, and if you say on this part, let's say I don't want to show my education, right? So this is my education, it's being shown. If I just hide that, look at this, the education part is gone. So I have not uh, put a work experience section on this one. Where you can add is from the on your profile, right? You can add these stuffs. So I have not added from there, so it's not available for me, but it will be available for you once you put those sections. So, and similarly, you just click on hide of your work experience and look at this. This part is gone, and your work experience section will also disappear from your public profile. So if this content helped you, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.